In this tutorial, we will take a look at different ways to hem a garment. So to begin, let's make a basic turned under hem. Hem lengths can vary depending on the pattern. If you want to see some general values, refer to the Marvelous Designer thread that accompanies this video. For this example, I want a 10mm hem, which means my hem allowance will be double that, 20mm. First, let's set up our guide points. Click the Add Point Split Line tool. Then hover it over your pattern edge and right-click. Make the length 20mm or whatever hem allowance length you have chosen. Then repeat the step, but use 50% as the ratio. Do the procedure again on the other edge and pattern piece. And now to the other skirt piece. 20 and 50. And the last one, 20 and 50. Alright, so those are guide points. Now select the internal polygon line tool and using the first guide point as a marker, draw a straight line across to make the hemline. Now you might want to activate the grid to make this process go smoother. And to activate the grid, you just need to right click in the pattern window and pick Activate Grid. And so this first line is the hemline. And now we can go down to the next point and draw the fold line. You want to do the same on the other side. Here's the hemline. And here's the fold line. Now, change the folding angle to 0 on the fold lines. So remember the fold lines are the ones in the middle. So 0 here and 0. Change the fabric preset to something stiff like leather belt so that it's easier for the fabric to curl under. So you're going to shift click these and change the preset to leather belts. Right? And then simulate. And once it's curled under, as you can see here, it's curled under, you can stop it and then sew the skirt edge to the hemline. So we're going to segment sew this edge to the hemline. Hemline to edge. Before we simulate again, we're going to shift click these together, change the particle distance to 10 or lower, and the preset can be anything. We're going to pick cotton. Just make sure that it's not something too stiff, otherwise you won't get to see the raised effect of the hem. Okay, and so now we can simulate again. And as you can see, this gives you the subtle raised effect that you would see in various turned under hem styles.